Good morning. So today it is Thursday, which means it's errand day. So what do I do today? Well, it kind of does what it says on the tin, I guess. Today's the day I run my errands. So pretty much on the list every week, unless there's a special occasion or something that would stop me doing it, that means a trip to the grocery store. I write my list on a Tuesday during Plan and Play Day, but I always, on a Wednesday, when I'm cooking dinner, just check the supplies to see what I need, because things change a lot in this house in 24 hours. Food can get used up, so I always just double check to make sure that nothing else has gone out that I wasn't sure of. So I go to the grocery store. I try and schedule appointments for today, but that doesn't always work. If I have a doctor's appointment, dentist appointment, something like that, I will try and make that for today, but yeah, sometimes that's just not possible. So that's the thing. If I need to go into our nearest town to buy a birthday present or to do some clothes shopping or something like that, that happens on a Thursday as well. And the way it generally works is I get up, I do my routine for the morning, I will drop my daughter off at work, and then I will do whatever it is that I need to do for the day, so that I'm home generally by lunchtime. And can get the shopping away and everything and do everything that I need to do. It's one of those things that I find works best in the morning, generally just because I'm up and I'm out and I'm ready to go, and it still gives me the whole afternoon left to get things done. For some people that might work the other way around. Whatever works best for you. These things they work brilliantly as long as you make them yours. You have to think about what works best for you and make it your own it. So I'm off in just a minute to go and do my grocery shopping, and we have a new store opening in our local town later, which I'm excited to go and find out a little bit more about. So I'm going to be doing that as well, and I might even slip a bit of lunch out with my daughter as well, which will be really cool and nice, and it's important to do that as well, just stop and do some fun things as well. So that's my errand day. I will be back soon with another one of these videos. I hope you're enjoying them. Bye for now.